our hand sink with side splash. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 16 inches, a depth of 15 inches, and a height of 9.5 inches tall. 9.5 inches applies to the bottom towards the top of the splash. Coming to the interior, the measurement for the sink itself, we have 12 3/4 inches in length, 10 inches in depth, and a height of about 4 1/4 inches tall. And the height for each splash will include 7.5 inches tall. 7.5 inches tall applies for the left and right side splash. Measurement for the faucet and the spout will include 4 1/4 inches in length and a height of 7.5 inches. Measurements apply for the neck or spout of the faucet. Also included will be the drain basket along with the mold. Coming to the back of the sink, we have the left and right mounts, and the measurement or distance between the mount, we have 4 3/4 inches. Last but not least, coming to the top will be the sticker with the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.